Want to know how to improve team productivity and streamline collaboration? Teamwork.com is a powerhouse that can take your team's efficiency to the next level. And today, we're going to break it down quickly so you can start using it right away. First off, let's talk about how Teamwork.com simplifies your workflow. It's designed for teams of all sizes to manage projects, communicate seamlessly, and stay organized. Whether you're handling client work or internal projects, Teamwork lets you keep everything in one place, which leads to less chaos and more focus. What sets Teamwork apart from other tools is its robust project management features. You can easily create projects, assign tasks, and set deadlines. This helps teams stay on track and ensures everyone knows exactly what needs to be done and when. The visual task management interface is a game changer. It's simple to drag and drop tasks around, update priorities, and track progress. This makes it much easier for your team to stay aligned and avoid bottlenecks. Beyond task management, Teamwork.com also allows for better communication. It integrates team messaging, file sharing, and even time tracking all in one spot. This means you won't waste time jumping between different tools, and everyone can stay on the same page in real time. One feature that really helps boost productivity is the ability to create templates for repetitive tasks. You won't have to reinvent the wheel every time you start a new project. Simply use pre-made templates for common processes and save your team valuable time. Whether it's onboarding new clients or running weekly reports, templates keep everything consistent and efficient. Teamwork.com also includes powerful reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports on project progress, time spent on tasks, and overall team performance. This data helps you make informed decisions, spot areas for improvement, and keep clients happy with transparent updates. The ability to visualize progress is key when trying to optimize how your team works. Plus, if you work with external clients or freelancers, Teamwork has built-in client access. This means clients can view the status of their projects, leave feedback, and stay engaged without overwhelming your team. This creates a more professional experience for your clients and strengthens relationships. Now, if you're new to Teamwork.com, you might be wondering how it fits into your daily workflow. The answer is simple. It's flexible and customizable. Whether you're running a small team or managing multiple departments, you can tailor Teamwork to suit your specific needs. From task lists and timelines to advanced resource management, you can scale the platform based on your requirements. But here's something exciting for you. By using the first link below, you can try Teamwork.com for free and even get access to exclusive bonuses. Yes, that means you can explore all of these amazing features without spending a dime upfront. The free trial will give you hands-on experience with the software, so you can see exactly how it fits into your team's workflow. If you're serious about improving team productivity and bringing more organization to your projects, this is the tool you've been waiting for. The best part? You can get started for free right now. Just click the link below and unlock your exclusive extended trial. So, if you want to boost team productivity, streamline communication, and take your project management to the next level, Teamwork.com is the way to go. Don't miss out on the free trial. Click the link below and start maximizing your team's potential today.